This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You have permissions and columns ready, now begin. First, open the list settings and add any missing base columns: number, currency, choice, or date. Once done, choose New Column and select Calculated calculation based on other columns. You will type your formula here. Make sure to reference internal column names exactly. Also set the data type returned by the formula, number, text, or date, because Sharepoint enforces types. Save and then preview a few rows to validate references. You're now constructing the core expression. Start simple. Test arithmetic like equals QTY* unit price and expand with if statements for conditional logic. Use text to format numbers or dates and concatenate or the ampersand to join strings. If you need date math, use date, year, month, day for parts. Remember operator precedence, put parentheses where ambiguous. Once your formula works on a sample row, save and check multiple scenarios, negative values, blanks, and different choices to ensure robust results. To finalize, validate output across the list and adjust column formatting, decimal places, currency symbol. If you rely on flows or workflows, copy calculated results into a real column using Power Automate because calculated columns are read-only to automations. Make sure list locale matches formula expectations for decimals and dates. If things go wrong, check internal column names, remove unsupported functions, like today and persisted calculated fields, and simplify the formula until it computes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.